YouTube space is available for jobs for our young people. Makofi tena kwao. Asante sana. Let me also say that as we do this, we are opening new opportunities. Remember what I said, that we invest 650 billion Kenya shillings every year in our education. We must think through it. It's not enough to spend that money educating our children. It is also important for us to know what is this end product going to do. And that is why we are working on all fronts. The Ministry of ICT has been tasked to work with industry. We are today distributing 22,000 computers in our TVETs. We will be doing another phase. We are discussing with the Council of Governors so that we can also work with our vocational and training institutes at the county level. The chair of ICT here knows that we have agreed that every member of parliament must also work with us so that we have an ICT hub in every ward. We are rolling out 100,000 kilometers of fiber around Kenya in the next 3 years. And it is because we want our young people to access digital jobs, number one. And we have millions of digital jobs available. Kenyans can work from Kenya, working in America, Europe, Asia, and many other areas. Number two, we want to make it easier for our content creators using access to technology. And the good news, again, I want to tell you, is that as we roll out the fiber optic around Kenya and provide internet, we're going to have 25,000 hotspots around Kenya where internet is going to be free. We have done the first 50. By 2025, the Ministry of ICT promises me that by 2025, end of 2025, we will have 25,000 free internet spots in the Republic of Kenya where people can work without having to pay. You can work online. You can create your content online without having to pay. And we are working together towards monetizing the whole space around creatives. I know when I say monetizing, I know the taxman is also listening. You know, the tax fellows are listening. Whenever they see some people making money in some corner, they arrive. So I know that there is a proposal in this year's budget on digital content, and creators are making a statement. I have told the ICT committee and the finance committee to work on it. Let's give them a bit more space. I think let us allow them kidogo wajipange. Lakini baadaye sisi wote tutalipa ushuru. Unajua huyu mtu wa ushuru akisikia kuna mtu anatengeneza pesa mahali fulani, anatembelea yeye, anamwambia hii pesa inatembea. So we are going to